Hey guys, here I am, and I'm about ready to throw the steak fries and some fish in the ovens, air fryers, and whatnot. So here we go. Alright, we got 28 ounces, 1 pound, 12 ounces of steak fries for this tray. And we got our second bag. For this tray. Spread those guys out. These ended up being the best deal. They were $1.60 from Walmart, and the least ingredients compared to most other supermarkets. Had a huge long list of stuff. This is actually a product of Belgium. I got this set for 400 convection. It's going to go in for 13.5 minutes. Hopefully I can do both trays and they'll come out. We'll see. Those trays are. I'll do that. Okay. There we go. There's the countdown. Okay, I got 3 bags of this Gorton's crispy battered 100% whole fillets, not minced, wild Alaskan caught pollock. It is 19 ounces, a pound, 3 ounces each. Comes out to around 3.5 pounds. So let's get some in my convection oven and some in my air fryer so I can get them all going at once. Ooh, lay them out real nice. Something like that. Jam them in for, let's do 13.5 minutes. So those are going. Now we're going to try to jam the rest in here. Hopefully I can do them all. They say to do 1 layer, but I'm going to try to wing it. Alright, this is what I ended up doing, standing them up. So we'll see if it works out. Need to do that. I said 400 for 10 minutes. I'm going to do 11 just because there's a bunch in there. So there we go. Alright, got my tartar sauce, my campfire sauce, my ketchup, and my garlic parmesan butter sauce for the fries, the steak fries. I'm going like Red Robin-ish with the garlic butter and the campfire sauce. I made that campfire sauce myself. It looks really good. Alright, so this meal is cooking. We've got 8 minutes left on this fish at 400. We got around 6.5 minutes on the fries, and about 8 minutes, can't even see that, 8 minutes on the fish in the convection toaster oven. So getting really excited, really hungry. This is gonna be great. Oh man, listen to that sizzle. Nice. And these came out nice and crispy. I'm excited. Just waiting on the fries. I threw them in a little longer. Just want them a little extra crispy. I was gonna dump these, but they're very, very fragile. So I'm not gonna dump them. I'm just gonna take them nicely. And that is annoying. Drop it! Fish fries. Done. Fish and chips. Shake a little bit of salt on. Not too much because I'm putting the garlic butter on. Okay, I'm just about set. Got the fish and the fries. They didn't come out super crispy, which is a little sad, so I'll have to use a fork for them, but it'll work out. Okay, so here I am. Just about ready to start. Got my first plate of fish, my extra fish, and my extra fries, chips, whatever you want to call them. We are ready to go. So we will hit our start timer and see what's going to go on. Hopefully I cooked everything good enough. I just winged it together real quick. Alright, here we go. start. All right. Nice. It's sturdy fish fillets, and everything, the chips and the fries come out to, and all the sauces come out to 9 pounds. These box of donuts. I think I ate 4 donuts. Alright. Whoops, sorry guys. I chose the seltzer water again. Gross. Probably my mouth too. Oh. Set up on top of each other. I thought with the convection it wouldn't matter because of the air circulating. Oh, so much gas. Could be from this too. Yeah, I'm at 40 minutes. I'm cutting it. I'm not gonna win anything for doing this. This is just for fun. So I'll just weigh up what I don't eat right here. I'll wait till 39 until I'm done swallowing. "39 minutes. Oh, all right. So let's weigh this up. I'll be right back. All right. The fries weighed up 2 pounds, 1 ounce. So I will add up all the weights and stats and calories and see what I can figure out. And if I can figure it out good enough, I'll post it. If not, I'll post what I basically would have eaten, calorie-wise at least. Weight-wise, I can just subtract the 2.1 pounds plus this, so I'll figure it out. But thanks for watching. Sorry I couldn't finish it all. Still have a lot to learn. I'm getting there though. Definitely ate a crap ton. All right, the goat is out, and don't forget to push like and subscribe. But either or, thank you so much. All right, till next time.